One of the most charming aspects of living in Celebration, Florida is its distinctive mix of architectural styles. From cozy craftsman homes to elegant colonial designs, the community is known for its aesthetic variety and curb appeal. For homeowners, this uniqueness also presents an opportunity, choosing custom window installation ideas that not only enhance beauty but also complement your home's style. The right windows can highlight architectural features, improve comfort, and even boost property value. Here are some inspiring ideas to match Celebration's one-of-a-kind look. Colonial and traditional homes. Many homes in Celebration reflect classic colonial or traditional design. Double-hung windows. A timeless choice, these windows provide both symmetry and practicality. Grills and muntins. Adding divided light patterns replicates historic charm and enhances curb appeal. Wood look finishes. Vinyl or fiberglass windows in natural tones offer classic aesthetics with modern durability. These details keep traditional homes true to their roots while benefiting from today's energy efficiency. Craftsman-style homes. Craftsman houses are beloved for their warm, handcrafted look and attention to detail. Casement windows. These side-hinged windows open outward, offering excellent ventilation and complementing the clean lines of craftsman design. Stained or colored glass inserts. Perfect for adding character and a handcrafted feel. Wide trim and bold frames. Highlight the strong architectural lines typical of this style. Customizing your windows ensures your craftsman home feels authentic and inviting. Mediterranean and Spanish-influenced design. Celebration also features Mediterranean-inspired homes with stucco exteriors and clay roofs. Arched windows. Add elegance and replicate the old-world charm of Spanish architecture. Ironwork accents. Decorative grills or scrollwork can be added for a traditional Mediterranean look. Large picture windows. Perfect for showcasing outdoor views while maintaining architectural flair. These custom features blend seamlessly with the romantic feel of Mediterranean homes. Modern and contemporary homes. For Celebration homeowners who prefer sleek, modern architecture, windows play a central role in creating an open, airy feel. Floor-to-ceiling glass. Expands natural light and creates a seamless indoor-outdoor connection. Minimalist frames. Slim, clean lines emphasize simplicity and modern elegance. Energy-efficient glass. Low E coatings and double or triple panes ensure style doesn't sacrifice comfort in Florida's warm climate. These choices bring a fresh, contemporary edge while keeping interiors cool and efficient. Coastal and Florida-inspired design. Celebration's location also inspires homes with light, breezy, coastal themes. Sliding glass doors and windows. Perfect for connecting living spaces to patios or porches. Awning windows. Allow ventilation even during summer rains without letting water in. Bright white finishes. Complement stucco exteriors and coastal color palettes. These installations create homes that feel open, airy, and perfectly suited to Florida living. The role of professional customization. No matter your home's style, professional custom window installation ensures every detail aligns with your vision. Precision measurements. Guarantees a seamless fit and polished appearance. Climate-specific materials. Installers recommend durable frames and glass designed to handle Celebration's heat and humidity. Personalized design. Professionals help you choose the right shapes, finishes, and features to match your architecture. Custom windows make a statement while providing modern performance. Final thoughts. For Celebration homeowners, windows are more than functional. They're a way to highlight your home's personality and architectural style. Whether you own a colonial, craftsman, Mediterranean, or modern home, custom window installation allows you to create a design that fits perfectly while improving comfort and efficiency. By working with professionals who understand both local architecture and Florida's climate, you'll enjoy windows that are as practical as they are beautiful. With the right custom touches, your home will stand out in celebration while blending seamlessly with the neighborhood's distinctive charm.